Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Make sure your Minecraft build supports the connect command and you have the server IP and port. Type into chat or console immediately. This avoids delays. Once done, open Chat with T or use the console key for your platform. You do this because the command needs direct input, no menus. Make sure you're in the right profile and that any firewall or router NAT rules permit outgoing connections so the command can reach the remote server. You now type the command /connect followed by host and port. For example, type /connect 192, 168, 1, 50, 25,565. This tells the client where to go and why the port matters. It identifies the service. Once you press enter, the client negotiates handshake and resource pack requests. Watch the chat for progress messages. If you omit the port, the game uses the default. Make sure you include the colon and no extra spaces, because command parsing is strict and will reject malformed input. You finish by allowing the world to load. Resource packs and permissions can delay entry, so be patient. If the connect attempt fails, first check the chat error, then verify reachability by pinging the host and confirming the port is open. Make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking outbound traffic and that client and server versions match. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see timeouts, restart the client and test from another device to isolate whether the issue is local or server-side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.